Welcome to the Property Talk, where we make sense of the real estate industry. My name is Christabel Musime, your host, and today on set is someone from CHINT. We have Harry on set, but before I get you, Harry, you may be wondering, why are we filming at CHINT today? Why is it so technical? You're seeing all these things behind me. History in the making. In Uganda today, Kampala electric mart CHINT today launches a product that is revolutionary on our electrical market. I'm going to let the expert, the minds behind it, tell us more about it. Harry, it's a pleasure having you on set.
Thank you, Christabel.
Harry, so today we are launching something that is going to change Uganda. What is this product?
This product, we are calling it CHINT Smart Prepaid Solution. It's not just a product, it's a solution. Why do we say it's a solution? It comes handy to replace the traditional ways that energy metering has been previously being done. And there's a lot of chaos that comes with that, where there are always discrepancies between the landlord and tenants. But this product not only focuses on individuals, but also organizations can use. As long as anybody is in the business of generating energy and you want to commercialize that energy to make money, you need this solution to have a good relationship with your customers.
Now, the first question that came to mind, and I'm sure it's what people are asking there, is this in any way kicking out Umeme? Is it in any way kicking out our Yaka meter? What is it when it comes to that?
That's a very good question. I want to categorically state that we are enjoying a very good relationship with Umeme. This product cannot connect you to the national grid. Umeme is the only and like Umeme, UETCL, Wenreco, those are nationally licensed distributors that connect you to the national grid. Now, the solution that we offer you is a sub-metering solution. So you still need Umeme to connect you to the national grid for you to get that bulk meter. But once you have one bulk meter from Umeme and you have like maybe 10 tenants, you have 20 tenants or 30 tenants, you can get the 19 other meters from us, and it will be interlinked with this one bulk meter from Umeme. So this is a sub-metering solution. This product, our mandate limits us to offering a sub-metering solution.
So what I'm taking home from this is, Harry, if, for example, I'm a tenant in a building, whichever commercial building I'm a tenant on, and my landlord every month has been telling me, for you electricity, because you have 5 bulbs, you have a computer, you have a fridge. So, Harry, what I'm taking from this, like I said, but my landlord has it in their minds that it's fixed because I have 5 bulbs, I have a fridge, I have 2 computers. They have naturally said me, electricity, my bill is 150, 200 per month. They have given it to me. Do you mean that this here is going to give me a solution at the end of the month? I only pay for what I have consumed, so my landlord doesn't have to actually demarcate a standard fee for me?
This meter comes in to standardize this relationship with your landlord. Of course, we have to get exclusive rights from the landlord to install this product on the meter. Actually, it is the landlord who benefits more because also the landlord, your tenants feeling that you are cheating them. It's also not very good for your relationship. So this is actually more good to the landlord in a sense that it will help them have a smoother relationship where the landlord will have, for example, these meters placed somewhere. And then this is installed in the tenant's premises, and the tenant is always able to see that I've loaded 10 units, and this is how my units are being reduced, consumed. And then when the tenant runs out, he can go to the landlord to be recharged. Actually, the landlord also reduces the stress of having to just come out of the blue and say, because you have a bulb, because you have a fridge, you're going to pay 50,000 maybe a month. So it brings a scientific approach, which eliminates the traditional way, guesswork, I would say, that has been happening, and one party feels they are cheated in this.
To you out there who's watching, as much as Harry has taken us the technical way, I'm glad to let you know. But with this, you get to know, okay, we have put 50,000 Uganda shillings, it's prepaid. It's also going to give us a bit of energy saving, because then you're going to use sparingly. You're just not going to waste energy. You're going to use sparingly. So how does one acquire this currently?
Anyone who needs the meter in Uganda, you can come to Kampala Electric Mart here on 6th Street, industrial area. We are the exclusive distributors for these CHINT prepaid meters. The thing, Christabel, I would want the people to know is that to be rest assured that you will never come to Kampala Electric Mart and fail to find these meters, is that we have manufacturing capacity for these meters. Here we have established a factory in Bale, 2,000 square feet of manufacturing space in Bale. So this product also comes in handy with Buy Uganda, Build Uganda, and we've created also quite good number of jobs with this ambition to ensure that we are able to always meet our demand. The other thing I would let people know is that it needs some technical guidance and installation. We have experts for all people who will come to Kampala Electric Mart. You'll get technical guidance to go and install, and also after sales support in case you're finding challenges with using the product. You can bring it. The product will give you warranty.
How do I get to buy my units?
It has 3 ways.
Okay.
This meter is a programmed meter that has a software and operating system that sits on it to be able to generate tokens for the landlord to manage the tenants when they run off and all that. So the software can be placed on a computer, right? Maybe at the landlord's office. The tenants can walk to the landlord's office and buy power and then print them on vouchers and they go and insert into the CIU. That's one way. Also, it can be configured on a mobile application. You can buy through mobile, and also it can also be configured through mobile money. So it can create for you a cash collection account, and then you'll be buying through. We design a merchant code that this merchant code belongs to Christabel. Every time anyone wants to buy tokens from Christabel, you insert this merchant code into your mobile number, and you're able to do through mobile money. So those are the 3 ways, Christabel.
So who's regulating the cost unit?
So it will always be Umeme and ERA who are in charge of regulating the units.
It's the same thing you get. You put that code in here, and voila, you have lights going on.
Practical example that can summarize what you've said practically.
Okay.
So this is the CI unit.
Yes.
You can come to me, buy the units from me, come and key in here. Key in, maybe I've given you 10 units. So you press here. So after loading the units, press enter, shows that you have successfully recharged. And then now you can go and use the power in your house. It means this person is loaded. Whereas this one, which does not have the units, even if you switch on this,
can't power on.
It can't power on.
Okay. Yeah. So let me ask, other than switching off this bulb, is there anywhere, let's say I want to save my units, or I want to know that when I leave office, there's no one else going to use my units? Here, is there anything else you can do to, like, say, switch it off or anything of that sort? Or once you power in your units, that's it?
Once you power in your units, that's it.
Okay, that even makes it more easier to use. Harry, it was a pleasure having you on set today. This is revolutionary. This is interesting that the Property Show has been here to witness this day, to know that Uganda is actually advancing. We're taking one step ahead into, change, revolution. And it takes just one mind, and this mind was the CHINT mind. The team at CHINT thought it and said, why shouldn't we give Uganda something? So when you're advocating for sustainability, it is some of these things that we need to look at. But then the other thing I like is that CHINT has gone for Build Uganda, Buy Uganda. At the Property Show, we are always pushing for Build Uganda, Buy Uganda. The Homes Expos, you notice we push so much for the Ugandan product, as much as we have the product that is imported, but we usually push for the Ugandan product, because if we support our own, if we build our own nation internally, then the sky is not even the limit for us. And we appreciate that you're also creating job opportunities. So there you have it. It was a pleasure having you on set.
Thank you, Christabel. Always a pleasure.